Okay, good morning. Today's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. On the chopping block are these lot of 2 retired vintage or near vintage Pier 1 imports. I've had these in my personal collection for years and years. I know Pier 1 is closed. These got to be at least 10 to 15 years old, something like that, if not vintage. Excellent condition, sparkling, shiny, all metal glitter ornaments. You get both. Put up the airplane here if it doesn't fall off. Let's just show that it glitters real nice. Real nice. Okay, you get them both. All metal glitter, good condition ornaments from Pier 1. If you like them, I hope you get them.